if greater integer function square x square minus 5 greater integer x plus 6 equals 0, where x denotes the greater integer function, then find the answer. So to find the answer, what we need to do is, before we could do the answer, I'll just explain you what is this intervals indicate in the functions. So yeah, we have, first one is called, what are the different types of intervals we have? First interval is called open interval. In open interval, we'll be having, where open interval is also called as exclude exclude interval. It is also called as exclude interval. In exclude interval, the arrow mark, that is the it will be a small common bracket which will be used for representing the interval a comma b, where it says that x is greater than a and it is less than b. Will not be including a and will not be including b if it is an open interval. And the graph for this can be written as this way, where a and b are open. Then moving on with the next one, second type of interval we have is closed interval. Closed interval. Closed interval is called as including include interval. It includes, here exclude means will not be taking the values of a and b. Here including means we will be considering the value of a and b. That will be, graph will be written as, will be including a and b. Here it is a and b. So here it will be represented as square brackets, and it is written as x is greater than or equal to a, lesser than or equal to b, means a and b will be included in the closed interval. Then we have next one is, third one is, third type of interval is closed open interval. Closed open interval. In closed open interval, we'll be having, here closed open means it will be closed for A and it will be open for B. It will be called as closed open interval. That means the value of x, the value of A will be closed and then B will be open. So here it will be represented as x greater than or equal to A and lesser than B. Means A will be included, x will be excluded. Then for fourth we have another one, open close interval. Open close interval. What is open close interval? It is again, open close is small common bracket a of b square bracket, means it is open for a and it is closed for b. So b is closed, it is a b. Now here it includes, it says that x is greater than or equal to, it is less greater than a, not equal to, it is greater than a and it is less than or equal to b. Here b is included, x is excluded. Here a is included and b is excluded. This we have, so this x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So here we can write this as, we have to find the factor for 6. So it will be 2 3s are 6, minus 2 and minus 3, when you add you get minus 5. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. So yeah, it will be, if you take x as common, we get x minus 2. Then minus 3 if you take, it will be x minus 2. Whenever you take negative sign outside, the sign inside the bracket will change. If it is plus, it will become minus. So here we get minus 2. So yeah, it will be x minus 2 is common, and what is there inside outside will be writing in one bracket. That will be x minus 3 equals 0. Then x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here x will be equal to 3 and here x will be equal to 2. So now the greater integer function, if x is equal to 2, will be, x will be here, if it is that will be, we can write 2 and then 3. Here it will be x is 3 comma 4, closed interval 3 and open interval 4. So and for 2 we can write it as x belongs to 2 comma 3. So now x will be, I'll write small value 2 comma 3, 3 union of 3 comma 4 will be, you'll be writing x belongs to 2 comma 4. This is the answer. That is your B solution.